Hey, welcome to this tutorial on the Genius Club. I'm here in Magi, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the different personas available that you can use for your different chats. So for anything that you're chatting with, for example, I'm chatting with Claude Opus 4.7 right now. I can click on this persona, and what a persona is it's essentially a type of customized AI profile that you're using to influence or enhance the chat that you're in. So you can see that we have all these different types of personas here that are specialized in different categories. So let's say I wanted to write some copy for my blog. Well, I could consult with the expert copywriter, right? So I click on expert copywriter. I could then ask it, give me the principles of good copywriting. Now, what's the difference between talking to the expert copywriter versus just the regular Claude? Well, we can actually show you the difference here is we'll generate it like this, right? With the expert copywriter, who's going to give me the principles of good copywriting. And basically what they've done is they've kind of pre-trained or they've influenced the AI with kind of special proprietary data versus if we were to, let's say, go into a new chat and turn off the expert copywriter and let's just put maybe like a poet. So we're going from expert copywriter, but we ask it kind of the same question. Tell me the principles of good copywriting, right? It's going to give me a different answer influenced by this particular persona. Now you will see it will give me kind of similar information because it is still using kind of the base model, but you'll see that this output is going to be slightly different from maybe this output here. So like, let's look at this, use frameworks. So let's see if that was also put into this one here. So it did, but it didn't use, you see how it actually created a little bit different there? So it actually gave us this different acronym, right? So it says use proven frameworks, and it has kind of the frameworks broken down there, but this framework isn't as detailed. So that's kind of one thing that you just kind of notice briefly is that this is giving you a little bit more of a detailed breakdown. It's coming from the same model, but the persona is a little bit different. So this is one of the interesting features that is within the AI Genius Club in Magi is these different personas. There's lots of different personas in here, so you can choose one based upon what you're working on. But again, just because you've chosen a specific persona doesn't mean that it will give you inaccurate information. Like if you ask a poet a question about copywriting, it's not gonna know that information because it's a poet. It's still an AI, it's still a hyper intelligent computer, it still has a good command, but it does have specialized knowledge in a certain direction. And it will kind of change the output based upon that kind of personality trait. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video on personas in the AI Genius Club at Magi. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.